breakfast. That's right. Here at Children's Muffins, we know muffins make the best breakfast. So come try all of our exciting new flavors. Strawberry. Jalapeno. They're hot. Lemon poppy muffin. Watermelon. Plain muffin. This muffin's really exclusive. It's the best thing in the world. One day sale. Wood chip muffin. Bird muffin. If you eat it, you can fly. Wire muffin. Ouch! Paperclip muffin. Great for holding papers. Random stuff I found muffin. Urban combat muffin. Imaginary muffin. Our best seller. So, what muffin would you like for breakfast, Johnny? I love my apple pie. You'll eat a muffin.
You'll eat a muffin.
So come try all our new brand of muffins at Milford Muffins. Bye!
The muffins are gonna eat you. They're gonna eat your soul. Then they're gonna crap it out in the toilet.